Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I am Kevin, and today, I know you saw the thumbnail, and I'm going to show you, these are the mini smash burgers that you can serve your guests at the Super Bowl, if you're having a Super Bowl party. What if you're just doing an event with friends, or a gathering with friends? What if you're going somewhere and somebody wants something different? You know, you don't have to make full-size smash burgers. These things, perfect size. You make your own buns with dinner rolls, okay? The process is easy. You can cook them outside on the black stone like I'm about to show you, or you can cook them inside on a pan. It's up to you. If you don't have a black stone, do it in the kitchen, right? 6 of these Texas-sized rolls, and I have them out, covered with cellophane, a little oil. We're gonna let them thaw for a little bit, and then I'm gonna cut them in half. I'm gonna shape them, and we're gonna put them in the bread proof in my oven and let them rise. Cut them in half, roll them up, flatten them out, let them rise for about 45 minutes, 95 degrees. And 45 minutes later, take them out, look at that. That's about the size that you want. And then I'm gonna turn off the bread proof, and I'm gonna put this on bake, and then I'm gonna put it on 350 degrees and get it preheated. Put some butter spray on top of these. 350, we're gonna go for at least 15 minutes. Okay. 15 minutes later, take them out of the oven. Boy, those look just right. Balls roughly the size of a golf ball, anywhere from 1.1 to 1.3 ounces. You can do this on the black stone, or you can do it in a pan in the house. And don't freak out, these meatballs look a little brown, but I like to use a little Worcester sauce on there. I put it in my meat and drizzle it over the top. I'm gonna set them on there. Get your smasher. Hold it for 10 seconds. Sprinkle a little SPG on them. Flip them. Flip them and cheese them. I got some American cheese. I got some Gouda cheese. You know, and just like that, these are done. So I'm going to slide these over to the side. Let's go make some in the house. All right, so let's make some in the house. If you don't have a black stone, you can still make smash burgers in your house. I've got a nice big pan, and what I like to do is, if I'm not cooking outside, if you got a small pot, you can use a pot like this. That way when you put it over your burger, you have this to hold on to when you're smashing down. If you don't, you can always, if you have a big enough spatula, you can put your spatula over there and push on it with another, wooden spoon is what I like to use, but if you have another utensil, you can push on it right there to get your pressure. All right, so this is heating up pretty good. I'm going to do at least 3 at a time. Okay, use a piece of parchment paper. I just like to use them, you know, as long as the box is. All right, set it over your patty, put your pot over it, and press down. Okay, so well that works. Put some SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. Okay, those are ready to flip. As soon as you flip them over, usually is when you want to cheese them. They do not take long to cook at all. So you can see this cheese right here is starting to bubble and fry. It means you can take this off, get it on a plate or a pan. Cheesier the better. You can put all your burgers on a pan or on plates, and everybody can build their own. So I'm going to build myself one. Look how nice these rolls are. It's just like hamburger buns. Okay. So I'm just going to use mayonnaise on mine, top and bottom. I'm going to take one of the patties with Gouda cheese. And you know, hey, I'm in New Mexico, right? Got to have my green chili. That's it. Right there. Mini smash burgers for your appetizers, game day, events, gatherings, whatever you want. All right. How easy is that, right? It's like making burgers, but you got to take the extra step and make your own miniature hamburger buns out of dinner rolls, and you know, I think they turned out pretty good, right? Tastes just like a smash burger. Look, I mean, one smash burger, everybody's gonna love a miniature burger, right? Got a dozen of them back here. All right, so if you're interested in this, definitely make these either on your Blackstone, on the pan, on the stove. You could make doubles, you could make triples if you want, depending on how many patties you want to make. And totally worth it, totally worth it. So if you like what I'm doing, hit the like and subscribe, and definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about these. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.